So here we go. This will now be leaving the city of Los Angeles. I gotta admit, I'm a little sad. And I'm just gonna recap what I was going over earlier. And yes, just for you that are curious, this is all I packed. One shirt, one sweatshirt, extra pair of underwear, one extra pair of socks. And you can see the backpack, very small. I really wanted to make this trip light. To me, no fun driving around on a motorbike that is weighted down in crap. Then you just don't enjoy the bike. Watch your head. Watch your head. Yeah, 2 meters. Touch the gap. The best gap, that is. And I pushed my mirror out of place. That's kind of funny. Wow, nice job. I didn't get addicted going by a cop. You know, his radar detector goes off so often. I don't know if it's just a false hit or I'm actually got a cop around me these days. Los Angeles cop in front of us, and he is going the speed limit. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Here we go. 42 miles an hour. And he's leaving me. 43 miles an hour. Okay, 45 miles an hour. Okay, so we just got this cop going 45 miles an hour. That red light, or yellow light, that was legal. I didn't get his cop car number. I want it. We're almost out of here. Just for myself, I'm just going to recap. I gotta admit, my memory is getting bad these days. So I learned a lot about my father. He loved people. He was very good with people. And because of it, you know, he did very well. And I guess people, you know, they would warm up to my father quickly. So in that regard, I'm pretty close, pretty much the same. My father was fearless. And I do have that in me. And my father hated standardization, my father wasn't scared to go against the norm. And that's one thing I've never liked, is actually being normal. Never. It's always nice just being a little different, or not scared to go against the norm. And some of the similarities, I guess my father was a really good pilot, also a captain of ships, and he was a really good pilot. And there was a point in time when I could have seen myself wanting to learn planes. But after learning how to skydive, I learned I really didn't like small planes. And so learning how to skydive actually took that out of me. Because the only thing a Cessna is good for is jumping out of, in my opinion. Okay, so here we go. We're now on the freeway. And I kind of wonder why they have such a low speed limit on the freeway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're currently driving on a freeway with 6 lanes, you know, like, come on, make a couple of them fast. And, so yeah, back to my father. I think it's pretty cool. Where I'm kind of learning little things about me. And I really appreciate what my uncle did for me. Wow, that was really cool. The last part of my stay in Los Angeles, it's going to help in case I need a new back tire. Because I'm burning off that center tread real fast on my Pirelli Diablo. Yeah, I just gotta watch that I don't go flying fast any CHP. And I can't make it look like I'm leaving cars behind. Okay. I'm just kind of watching my temperature. At this speed, the bike's jumping around 73, 74 degrees. Because I really got to watch it once I get into Death Valley. can't figure out why they're in a carpool lane when other lanes are moving faster than them. That should be an automatic ticket. Now this guy just gives me a little room. Holy shit. Okay. Did you see that? I was just scooped by a CHP motorcycle cop. Too goddamn cool. Now, I guess what I did was legal because I did split the lane. And now I got myself a cop runner. And he is going 85 miles an hour. You are speeding, sir. Okay. Did you see how natural he made that look? Okay, well he's going 85. He is going 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. 86, 87. And I am not, he is pulling away from me at 89 miles an hour, and he's leaving me. And I think this will be part of my defense in my dangerous driving charge. This cop is going a lot faster than I was. I was not going over 90 when that state trooper pulled me over. And actually, this was right around the speed limit I was going. So hey, I'm really glad I had the cameras running. Okay, this guy's up to 90 miles an hour. Good long look, we're at 88. Oh, I'm dropping off a bit. Okay. Okay, so this guy, he's leaving me, and I'm going 90 miles an hour. Okay, I'm now up to 92 miles an hour, and he's still leaving me. So all I could do is a guess that this guy's doing about 95 miles an hour. And, hey, you're my hero. I wish I had one of those badges right now. I'd be right fucking behind you. That cop, that CHP motorcycle cop, the way you're riding, you're just a speed junkie, man.